Hey, let me get through. The white truck, let me get through. Chele, wait for me. I'm about to get out. All right, everybody go ahead. Everybody go ahead and roll out. Take the spotter.
This man did not just get flamed by contract. Oh my God.
We lit. Good run, good run. One, two, three. I did say three.
Yeah, we good.
And he went before his honk.
That's what I'm trying to say. Jeez.
regroup at 98.
We at 1898. Alright, blue GTR looking for support. We in the middle lane.
Green GTR.
Actually on the highway, 5 miles an hour.
And we need to hit. We need to hit. Cop somewhere.
There's 3 Mustangs and the X5 on that on-ramp. That's us.
One, two, three. We got a gap, but not by that much. It's a GTR though. That shit's fucking fast.
I could have sworn I saw a cop before exit 97 over the bridge.
97, 4. Over the bridge. Yep.
That is us. There is a group of Mustangs and an X5 getting on this 4 County Road.
You think he wants to race? Want to race or not? Nah, cop. Turn.
Yo, guys in front of us, go. There's a cop on the bridge. Go.
Is 97 after 98? I'm so confused. Or we already passed it? Was the cop moving or was he sitting?
It was ghosted. It was there with the lights off, just posted. It was probably watching all of us though.
97.
Alright, cop on the bridge coming up to exit between 97 and 96. Cop on the bridge, guys. Cop on the bridge. Just make his way on the highway. Definitely a cop. Definitely a cop. Do not race.
Where's our cop? I don't see no cop.
He's a spotter, he don't see no cop.
Lady Blue Hellcat, we blew right under that bridge. Stay close, stay alert, stay alert.
GTR, Mercedes GT, do not race. There's a cop right behind you guys. Willis, 94 exit. Here we go. Cars are racing in front of them. You may be going after them.
Cars are racing in front of him. Gotta be moving the wallet.
Yeah. That spotter didn't even do shit. Other guys told us there was a cop.
Cop, for real, right in front of the cop, y'all are racing.
If you pass exit 94 already, there's a cop right up behind you.
The cop's coming. Shit.
Cops going after that GTR and that Mercedes. Cops going after that GTR and that Mercedes. Birds in the air as well.
Blue GTR, cops falling heavy behind you. You line you up, you line you up.
Cop just past 94, guys. Coming up behind y'all.
Cop is chasing the blue GTR. 2 GTR's taking up.
Anyone know if he pulled over?
Negative, active pursuit.
Shooting that GTR. Yeah, bro. You better take an exit. You better know what the fuck you're doing. Cop just lit somebody up. Y'all roll.
GTR, you better make a decision really quick, buddy. You better lose them in the back roads and just keep going into Houston. Take the toll road. Take the toll road. Everybody get in the right lane. If he decides to run, he needs room. Everybody get in the right if you're in front.
He's well past everybody, guys. He's up here by himself. We're past 89 right now. We're behind him. 2 cops are behind him, doing about 100, 120 miles an hour.
God.
The cop's like 3 miles ahead already. I mean, there's one coming behind us, so yeah, everybody get on the last right lane. Take the exit, everybody. Leak line road. Take the exit. If you all want to. I think I should just take the exit. Take the exit, everyone.
Hey, let's get Waterberg after this.
Show you what time it is. 3:36. Galacia. I think this is a lot better for us. Hopefully, we don't get that gap. I see. Shit's show. It's nice.
That guy, he said the cops started following him the whole way. He said he had like 2 cops behind him the whole way. Then he pulled into the house. They parked outside his house. Gotta go in there. Go see that.
Shit.
That bitch is moving. 15, 5.
Might get something to eat from the gas station.
It'd be nice. You know what I'm saying? A bit too. So the supers aren't that fast? Let's fucking see. You think that bitch is fast? Yeah. Bunch of fast shit. Aquí andamos. Son las 3:30. Gran puta. Un frillazo que hay. A la verga. Yeah, where's Boosted Lucky? Race that nigga. Like I thought we were a stock Hellcat. What's up there? shit. I hate these brakes, but these bitches are good. Hate these brakes, but these bitches are wrong. Nigga, what?
That shit stopped quick as fuck.
Cheap shit. We was about to gap that nigga. You want a Mustang? You want it? Nah, you gonna get it though. I don't care if you want it. 50 wrong. Oh, you gonna get it. You gonna get it. This nigga stayed in it. This nigga stayed in it.
I was spinning like crazy.
You know, we need to put like a thing on this thing here.
Alright, let's go back the fuck home now.
Alright.
We already gapped everyone. We're good.
Man, we're tired of gapping people, man. Let's go to the fucking trailer. It was a good night. We ain't get gapped that much. We only got gapped twice, I believe.
3 times.
3 times. Out of like the
first one was the twin turbo Mustang. Then we got gapped by
the GTR.
The GTR, and then we didn't really get gapped by the other Mustang.
Yeah, that we just raced.
Pretty good, right?
But out of like the 15, 20 runs, we just got about 5 right now, back to back. So we're going home. It's
and my car's not even 100%.
yeah, this shit's fucking up, like. But it's fun. Now I know the brakes are great in this bitch, cause oh my god. A la puta casa. It's fucking 5:30. We'll get there around like 6. The nigga's still running. God damn it. Alright guys, we'll get back to y'all.
Nah, but this shit, it moves good. Out of all the races tonight, this one and the Civic has been the best race I did.
I gave him the hit and a half car.
He's playing fast.
You got the GTR? Yeah. How much power that one have? I was trying to get the GTR, but you want the one flashy, right?
I don't know if I was ever recording, but this guy, he did it. Good fucking Texas. Straight W's. Not pa la puta Airbnb. Later than a motherfucker. Like, fucking, I think I'm about to be 6. Strap this bitch up and get the fuck out of here. And she hasn't been working that good, but